For a month, we've been tightening the noose around the last escaping Krauts as we roll towards Paris. But like a cornered rattler, you can bet they got one last strike. If we're gonna make our mark, we gotta be ready for anything. Like teaming up with the S.O.E, British Special Forces. Something big's happening.
Gotta be. Davis is here.
We received intelligence from the resistance about a German train carrying V-2 rockets for an attack on Paris, refueling near Argenton. That gives us just enough time to move our team into position. It must be stopped. You proved yourselves in Marigny, which is why you'll get the opportunity and the privilege.
Thank you, sir, but it seems like a job for more than one platoon.
That's why I'm teaming you up with the S.O.E.
Looks like you two caught a bit of it.
Don't worry, Lieutenant. We saved some for you.
Agents Vivian and Crowley will lead the operation. They've been working with the resistance for months and know the terrain well. You'll defer to them.
We heard about Marigny. Impressive.
I can't take all the credit.
Just doing our job.
And a fine job it was, but a warm-up, I'm afraid. Look, this is no ordinary German supply train. It's a fortress on wheels. Our liaison in the resistance, Rousseau, will provide support if possible, but attacks on their network could mean we're on our own.
The fate of Paris is in your hands.
Reminds me of the time we parachuted into Vercors, ambushed that Gestapo patrol.
You're just an old romantic. All right, there's our target.
You gotta give those Krauts some credit. Train's right on time.
Biggest train I've ever seen. Thickest armor, too.
It's a Panzerzug. Those V2s have a range of 200 miles, more than enough to hit Paris. We can't let it reach the launch site.
Enemy movement up ahead.
All right, Vivian, I'll take them out. Turner, that'll be your signal to advance.
Daniels, since you and Zussman were so gung-ho at Marigny, you'll provide them with fire support. Come on, all right, let's go. Everyone stay low. Suppressors on.
Take out the sniper. Use your knife, Daniels.
Well done, Daniels.
Now the officer. On you go.
Brilliant shot.
Turner, take a few men and go around the house.
Daniels, stay with Crowley.
Keep moving. Shh. Careful. Well done. Let's move.
Sniper is yours, Daniels.
Stay low and advance slowly.
Shit! Throw the grenade!
Change of plan! We've been spotted!
Starting up! Up to the train!
Hang in there, buddy.
Enemies ahead! Fire!
We'll never make it!
There's still
Hang
time!
in there, buddy.
All right, everyone, get to the train!
Crowley, train's leaving.
Come on, we can't let him get away! Grenade! Grenade!
First aid
I need that aid kit.
Here you go!
Toss him over.
Here you go!
Lob it a grenade.
Get your ammo, Daniel!
Grenade. Could use some ammo, sir.
Got you covered, Private! Up to the train!
Hang in there, buddy.
Enemies ahead! Fire!
We'll never make it!
There's still
Hang
time!
in there, buddy.
All right, everyone, get to the train!
Crowley, train's leaving.
Come on, we can't let him get away! Grenade! Grenade!
First aid
I need that aid kit.
Here you go!
Toss him over.
Here you go!
Lob it a grenade.
Get your ammo, Daniel!
Grenade. Could use some ammo, sir.
Got you covered, Private!
Cut through the post office!
Eyes and ears! Quickly now! Daniels, get the door!
Shit!
Daniels, get up!
Everyone in the Jeep, now!
We need to stop that train!
Let's go! Let's go! Hold on!
Shit, look out!
Stay on the path! Trees are coming down! Hang on! Can you see it?
There it is! Hit the gas!
Left!
Right turn ahead! We're gonna lose it!
Working on it!
Under the bridge! Get in the way!
Punch it!
Shit! It's firing at us!
Faster!
Watch out! For it! Keep going, Daniel! I'm gonna shoot! I should have drove!
Now's your chance! Take the wheel!
Shit!
Line them up!
Try to hit them!
Keep steady!
They're throwing grenades! Tank! We gotta get to the front of the train! Keep firing! Up top! Keep Daniels, where the hell are you? I'm coming, hang on! Holy shit! Did that just happen?
Can't believe we made it.
That's one for the books. I hope Styles had his camera.
Pearson might even get off our asses for 5 damn minutes.
Look out!
Follow me. I'll take you to your platoon.
I'm sorry. Who the hell are you?
A friend. No hurry.
Coming in from the southeast. First aid kit's ready. Flying in!
Crowds on the train cars.
Let's go!
Enemies in the train car.
He's dead! Answering from the northwest!
Toss it out of good.
Daniel, first aid kit ready for you!
Send it this way.
Here! Looks like they're up ahead.
Your platoon is through here. I believe these men belong to you.
I see you've met Rousseau. She's with the Marquis, French resistance.
She killed a crowd that was gunning for us.
You could at least try to capture and interrogate them first.
There would be more trouble than they're worth.
Thought we lost you. Looks like you did some damage.
The train was supposed to be stopped, not destroyed.
Yeah, I'm sorry that things didn't go exactly as planned, but on the bright side, we've just alerted every goddamn German outpost in the whole area, so we gotta get moving. Come on.
Not until we finish the mission. Isn't that right, Major?
We'll need your help in securing
Don't know
intelligence
how,
from
but
the
Zuss and I
wreckage.
survived wrecking that train long enough to find ourselves rendezvousing with a tough French gal. Goes by Rousseau. She's a member of the resistance, and if you can believe it, she made us paw through the wreckage for some papers. She needed them for a mission in Paris, and she had a job for us too. By blowing up that train, we bought Paris more time. Now the resistance is going to use the papers we secured to infiltrate a Nazi stronghold in the city. Sign me up.